Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. In today's video I'm gonna be doing my hair. Okay, I'm gonna be reviewing West Kiss hair. So this hair was not sent to me, it's not sponsored, the video is not sponsored. I actually bought this hair about 6 months ago. Yes, you heard me correctly, 6 months ago. So I've been wearing this hair, but the first thing, guys, so like I said, this hair has been with me for the past 6 months, and look at it, like it's so pretty. I love the side parting, and curly hair is my thing. So without any more further ado, let's get into the real deal. Okay, if you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching and grab your popcorn, cause it's good.
I think back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like.
Let's get into the hair. Okay, so my nail disclaimer, my nails, you know, I told y'all from the beginning I'm not really into nails, like, so they've been popping out, but I'm gonna go, I hate going to the kids. So this is the boxing. This is the boxing of the hair, and when you open it, West Kiss is it, love your hair, kiss your beauty. So when you open it, this is what you see. I love your boxing. It's so girly, feminine, and all that. Y'all know I love pretty boxes or packages or whatever. So when you bring this out, that's it. This is a dust bag that the hair comes in, and it's so cool. Love your hair, love your hair, kiss your beauty. Love your hair, kiss your beauty, West Kiss. So I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna open this, and yeah, I already went in and replucked the hair, and this is a 180 density, and this is the fact you need to know about me. I love curly hairs. Curly hairs fits me the most. Yeah, it suits me the most. And this hair, it came already pre-plucked and bleached and all that, but I still had to go in and do a little work, just a little bit, just a little, not much. So I actually pre-plucked and all that. So it comes with adjustable strap, and it comes with 3 clip-on pins for your support and all that, and the wig cap is medium, and this hair is, I think, 26 inch. I love long hairs. If you don't know, I love long hairs. I really don't like short hairs at all, and this hair is so full and so amazing. And like I said before, I've worn this hair for like 6 months now. The first time I wore it was on April, which was, when was that? Memorial Day. That was the first. I think I have a video on here where I wore this hair and I got a whole lot of compliments. This hair is so pretty, you guys. It's a must have. I've washed this hair severally. I've washed it up to 4, 5, 6 times. I know I've washed it up to like 6 times, and it's still, this is like one of the best hairs I've owned, or this is like one of the best hair I actually own. So if you want to buy a curly hair, I recommend you go on West Kiss website, or you go on Amazon, type in West Kiss and buy it. Now this video is not sponsored, okay? Y'all know I love, you know, bringing all the y'all know I love giving y'all all the good stuff. If I'm wearing it, if I have it and I love it, why won't I share it with you? That's what this channel is all about. Beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Fashion comes first, beauty comes second, lifestyle comes third. Let me put on the wig for you guys to see how amazing and voluminous this hair is. Like, one of my best hairs, guys. One of my best hairs. Like, I did go in and bleach the knot, and I over bleached it. You guys can see I over bleached the knot. Like, yeah, I was still a learner when I bleached the knot, but now I'm a pro. Okay, let's go ahead and glue this baby down. Like, ooh, come on, curls, come on, density, come through density, come through density, come through density. Y'all can see, y'all see the density, y'all see how full it is. And let me let y'all know, it is so, and this came with a baby hair. Okay, I just wanted to put it in the center so you guys can see how it looks as a center pat. Okay, so we're gonna lay this down, slick it down, and all that. It's cute, it's pretty, true to length, no falling out at all. See, not falling out. Because why I'm saying so is I've been wearing this hair for the past 6 months and I'm still working it, and it's still very full, very thick. Like, come on, for the price. I'm gonna go in with my Got to Be Freeze spray. The hell? Oh my god, better not finish. Like, don't do that. Oh, it hurts because okay guys, I think it's all right. I think it's laid and flat, so I'm gonna have to tie this down just so we are secured. Okay, I'm gonna try to secure it, just to lay it down flat, nice and secured. So I'm gonna, now that it's tight, and y'all see the volume, like, look at that, like, look at how voluminous and nice this is. Like, this hair is a must-have, guys. So I'm gonna go in with some spritz of water just to wet it down a little bit. That's if you want, okay? It depends on the look you're trying to go for. I'm trying to go for a little bit of wet look. Just want it to look a little bit, you know, flat, curly, like more curly. Can you guys see how this is? Like, it is flatter and nice. Like, okay, it's cute. All right, so I'm gonna wet this side too. If you don't want to wear it, like, some days I wear it like that, dry, and you know, if you're trying to go for a big look, you know, big hair don't care thing, you know, Alright, so let's untie it and Alright, so now that we're done laying it down, I'm gonna go in with my foam bouncy hair curler. This is for curly hair, okay? I'm gonna put just about a little amount just to slick it down some more. Yes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I got it on my top. No, no, no. Like, see, like, why? I think I need to buy a new one. Yeah, I'm always forgetting. Like this, trying to lay it down again, okay? Because we want the frontal to be laid. Face is oily. Alright, so I'm gonna take this off. And frontal is laid sleek. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Don't y'all love this hair? I love it so much. So I'm gonna go in with my hot comb just to slick it down a little more. Okay. Just to make sure it's flat, like flat. Come through. Oh, my eyes. One thing. Yes. 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 Okay. Yeah, so it's so pretty. Like, I love my hair, and it didn't take time. You guys see? Like, can you see how healthy and cute this is? Let me bring this down a little bit so you guys can see what I'm saying. Like, I love this hair. Been rocking it for the past 6 months, and it's still, you know, this way, still this cute. Like, I look like a baby. Look at the tips, like, it's so cute. Look at this. Let me set up for you guys to see the tip of the hair. Oh my god, like how cute is this? So curly. Like that's all I wanted you guys to see. See the curls, like look at that. Look at this. Like how amazing is this hair, guys? Wouldn't you want to own this? And the good thing is you can even style it anyhow you want. So let's try and see if, let's see what I can do with this. Let's see if I can pat it and style it. Look at that. Look at the pad. Pretty. Okay. Oh yes. Yes. Curly hair is my thing. I love curly hair so much. If you know me, you know I love curly hairs, guys. So I over bleached the knot, that's why that is actually showing. Okay. Let me just put this in a bun. Now, now this is the way I love it now. I love it. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. This channel is all about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, and what you're gonna be getting is fashionable videos, which is clothing hauls, lookbooks, beauty, makeup. Beauty is makeup, hairs, tutorials, and all that beauty stuff, okay? And lifestyles could be vlog and how I do my things, a day in my life, and all that, you know. Yeah, so welcome to my little world. Subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.
I think back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes